Today we will show you how to assemble the self-balancing car kit. These are all the components we need. First we need to peel off the protective film on the surface of all acrylic sheets. Use 4M3*65 copper standoffs on the holes of A01 and then fix them with 4M3*8 screws. Use 4M3*20 copper standoffs on the holes of A01, and then fix them with 4M3*8 screws. Use 8M3*12 screws and 8M3 nuts to fix 2 bracket onto the A01 plat. Use 4M3*7 countersunk head screws to fix motor onto the bracket. Insert the coupler into the motor shaft. Align the hole on the coupler with flat section on the motor shaft. Leave some space between the coupler and the bracket plate, 2 to 4 mm. Fix the coupler with 4M4*4 locking screws. Screw the M4*4 locking screws tight into the coupler with the hex wrench. Fix the wheel to the coupler. Assemble the RGB LED module on the A01. Use 4A06, 4M2.5*14 screws and 4M2.5 nut to assemble 2 RGB LED module. Assemble the WS2812 module on the A01. Use 4M2*10 screws and 4M2 nuts to assemble 2 WS2812 module. Assemble the ultrasonic module on the A03. Use 4M1.6*6 screws and 4M1.6 nuts to assemble the ultrasonic module. Install the A03 to the A01 using M3*12 screws and M3 nuts. Fix the 5 M3*14 countersunk screws to install the battery holder to A01 with 5 M3 nuts. Install the 18650 battery in the battery holder before installing the next step. Install the line tracking module in A04 with 2 M3*12 screws and 4 M3 nuts. Install the A04 to the A01 using 4 M3*8 screws and 2 M3*30 copper standoffs. Install the A05 to the A01 using 4 M3*8 screws and 2 M3*35 copper standoffs to fix the A05. Use 2 M3*20 copper standoffs and 4 M3*8 screws with MPU 6050 to install A01. Please connect the circuit correctly before installation. Use 4M3*8 screws. Assemble the Adeept self-balancing car control board. Use 4M3*8 screws. Assemble the A02.